Yeah, hi, Rob. And Dr. Deborah Birx says that Virginia was the last in a 5-state tour where she has been going to areas where they are concerned about rising percent positivity, and they're bringing recommendations so that those states don't become the next COVID-19 hotspot. Now, Dr. Birx specifically mentioned Portsmouth and the Chesapeake region along with the city of Richmond today, and she says that she showed state leaders what places like Arizona and Texas, which have already seen a new COVID-19 outbreak, what they have done to stem the tide, so to speak. And she is recommending Virginia and those 4 other states implement those recommendations. That includes 100% mask wearing when you are outside of your home, to increase restrictions on bars and restaurants, and to shut down those that can't practice social distancing, and to increase messaging to multi-generational families to wear a mask when you're in the house in order to protect those family members that may be more at risk. Now, Dr. Birx says it is up to local leaders, state governors, on if and how they want to implement these recommendations, but she says she is recommending they be done statewide rather than by locality, saying she's worried about a situation where someone goes to a hotspot like Virginia Beach, gets infected, and then brings it back home.
And then together we think we can get through this with those mitigation efforts where we have shown that they work and are working across the South. I know it could really prevent Virginia from having the experience that their southern states have had by starting mitigation efforts sooner rather than later.
Now, Governor Northam was not a part of this morning's news conference, but his spokesperson says that they also talked about increasing testing turnaround times and getting more support to communities of color. And she adds that Governor Northam, in his 2 o'clock news conference this afternoon, will talk a lot about what Dr. Birx was referring to when it comes to mitigation. CBS 6 will carry that live on air and online. Working for you at the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.